What's in that drawer, Cole? Open up the drawer. I gotta see what's in there. Pull it open. Wow. Oh, it's just too far, Dad. It's just too far to reach. There we go. What's in there? I don't know what's in there. 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 What's in there? What are you... Hey. Only interested in that knob.